After this video, your shop will be the best shop possible if you follow the 3 shop building tips that I'm going to show you in this video, and you will sell items as fast as possible because your shop will be just so good. So, starting with the video, the first tip that I will give you is to make sure that your shop has lots of lighting. That means that you should use light sources to make your shop brighter, and to make the items more visible to the buyers, and that can just be some simple work lights, which will make your shop brighter during the night, or what I recommend, is neon wires. They both make your shop more visible and just better in general, and you should simply activate them with a lever. And in case you don't know how to get neon wires, you have to get on the ferry, and in the tropics go to Link's Logics, where you can buy different neon wires. Now that out of the way, let's talk about the actual shelving of the shop, because you have to have shelves to put items on. So just so you know, a couple of simple and great shelf designs can be the table shelf, which is simply 2 tables stacked on top of each other, the wall shelf, that is just thin smooth walls, and the axe shelf, that's just made out of many smooth walls, and if you want to give more detail to your shelves you can add tiles on top of them, filled with a different type of wood. And an important thing that you should add to your shelves is a price tag written with wires. That will make your customers understand what will they have to pay for the items, and it can simply be made out of wires that you can buy at Wood or Us. Now the final most important advice is to actually use the right shop design, because your shop has to look attractive for buyers to actually come to it. So while there are many shop designs, I strictly do not allow you to build Aptyn's shop design. Do not even think about building it. There are like a million of those shops around Lumber Tycoon 2, and we must not let Aptyn take over the whole game. No offense to Aptyn though, he's a great YouTuber and you really have to check him out, but in case you want for it to be me, to take over Lumber Tycoon 2, then build my shop design, because it even has a storage, and a clear tutorial, so you can see it in this video that has 20 useful base builds, including the shop that is base build number 7, and also make sure to subscribe so I can take over Lumber Tycoon 2.